The old-fashioned. In 1806, the original definition of the word cocktail was spirit, sugar, water, and bitters. That's exactly this drink. When fancy 20th century cocktails got popular, regulars at the bar started asking for it the old-fashioned way. The name stuck. 3 ingredients make an old-fashioned: a sugar cube, a few dashes of Angostura bitters, and 2 ounces of whiskey. That's the whole drink, for over 200 years. Start with 1 sugar cube. Raw Demerara or turbinado adds a little molasses depth, but a plain white cube works perfectly. If you'd rather skip the muddling, a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup gets you to the same place. 2 to 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, the red label bottle from Trinidad. These are what give the drink its cinnamon clove warmth and its backbone. Peychaud's is the New Orleans alternative. Fee Brothers Old Fashioned Bitters is friendlier for beginners. 2 ounces of whiskey. Bourbon if you like it rounder and sweeter. Maker's Mark or Woodford Reserve are reliable. Rye if you like it drier and spicier. Rittenhouse or Bullet deliver the classic pre-prohibition profile. Either way, use something you'd drink neat. Put the sugar cube in your glass, add the bitters and a tiny splash of water. Muddle until the sugar dissolves. Add 1 big ice cube, pour the whiskey, and stir for about 30 seconds. Express an orange peel over the drink. Squeeze it, rub the rim, drop it in. Add a cherry if you want. Don't overthink it. The old-fashioned is the original cocktail. No shaking, no blender, no sugar bombs. Just whiskey, sugar, bitters, and thyme. If you can make this one, you've earned the key to every bar in America. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.